This is Brian here, and I'm out here in Katy, Texas, which is about 25-30 miles west of downtown Houston. And I'm out here at the beginning of where Buffalo Bayou starts. This is at the confluence of Willow Fork and Cane Branch. Not too much around here, just the bayou itself and a couple of drainage retention ponds. This is in the middle of suburbia. 30 to 40 years ago, this was mostly an agricultural area, growing mostly rice and cotton. Buffalo Bayou itself, though, is the main aorta that runs through Houston. It starts at this point and runs through the west section of Houston, through Memorial Park, and eventually into Allen's Landing in downtown Houston, where it keeps going to the east and eventually turns into the Houston Ship Channel. I was hoping you'd come along for a trip with me down this channel. It's the main commerce route nationally and internationally for the city of Houston. This Google Earth map shows all my launch points used for this video. Allen's Landing is at the confluence of White Oak Bayou and Buffalo Bayou. It is the officially recognized birthplace of the city of Houston, Texas. In August of 1836, just a month after the Republic of Texas won its independence from Mexico, two New York real estate developers, John Kirby Allen and Augustus Chapman Allen, purchased 6,600 acres of coastal prairie and settled the town of Houston on the banks of Buffalo Bayou. They divided and sold parcels of this to prospective buyers back east. They advertised the land as a tropical paradise with flowing waterfalls. Yeah. So from this point on, we are leaving the pretty and entering the gritty. We are mostly on the east side of Houston, which is mostly industrial. There are some residences, but they are scattered here and there. And like I said, this is mostly an industrial area all the way from here to Galveston Bay.